All right, I want to show you these whole house filters that I was sent. Now these come in a package of 6. They're all individually wrapped, and you can get these in 5 micron, 10 micron, 20 micron, and 50 micron. You could use these in a whole house filter like this. This is my whole house filter up here. Now these are 10 inches long from like here to here. I already took out my old filter, my whole house filter, and put this in. They fit just fine. I think these would definitely work really, really good if you live like out in the country and you have your own well water. These would work really good to get out like rust, silt, sand, any kind of dirt in your water. These would work really good for that. They're not going to work real good for if you have like chlorine in your water. These are not the type of filters to have. But all right, I got this loosened up. Let's take this out, put the new one in, see if it fits like it should. Take that out. There's my old one. You guys don't want to see that. Put this new one down in. Let's make sure it's in the center. Put your wrench on there. Tighten it up a little bit. Okay, that should be good. All right, so far it seems to work just fine. Now let me turn the water on. Dry this off a little. Looks good. Everything looks okay. I think these filters are going to work out just fine.